In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level resources in Microsoft Project. Resource leveling helps you fix overallocation, which happens when someone is assigned to too much work at the same time. Microsoft Project can resolve those conflicts by delaying or splitting tasks so your schedule reflects how work can realistically get done. Start by checking whether anyone is overallocated. Go to the View tab and open either Resource Sheet or Team Planner. These views make it easy to spot trouble because overallocated resources are marked in red. If you see red, it means the person is scheduled for overlapping work that they can't complete simultaneously based on their assigned units and calendars. Next, open the leveling tools. Head to the Resource tab and look for the level group. You have three choices here. Level All applies leveling to the entire project, which is the most common and simplest approach. Level Resource lets you focus on a specific person if only one or two team members are overloaded. Level Selection applies leveling only to the tasks you've highlighted, which is helpful when you're working within a particular phase or subset of the plan. Choose Level All to start. When you click it, Microsoft Project automatically delays tasks, splits tasks if needed, and shifts timing to remove conflicts. You'll likely see some start and finish dates move, but task dependencies and constraints are respected. Importantly, leveling does not change who is assigned to the work. The same resources remain on their tasks. If you want more control, open leveling options from the Resource tab. Here you can decide whether leveling runs automatically or manually. Automatic updates the schedule as soon as overallocations appear, while manual gives you the ability to review and level only when you choose. You can allow tasks to be split so work is distributed across multiple time blocks, or prevent splits if continuity is important. You can also set priority rules so lower priority tasks are delayed before higher priority ones, and you can limit leveling to a specific date range or apply it across the entire project. If you don't like the results or want to try different settings, use clear leveling to undo the changes. Then adjust the options and level again until the plan looks balanced. In short, resource leveling fixes overallocations by delaying lower priority work, spreading effort over time, and keeping assignments intact. Use it to turn a red, overbooked plan into a realistic schedule your team can actually deliver.